Hi, I'm Sarah. Me and my husband Stephen live in mobile homes. Our main home is a single wide, and our second home is a vintage RV that we have renovated. On this channel, we share adventures in our RV, cooking in our small kitchen, renovations, beauty at home, and just all in all, mobile home living. Hi everyone, this is what we're working on today. So what have you done here, Stephen?
Okay, well, I shortened the brackets. If you remember on the last video or the last clip, I showed the tank when we first got it, and the brackets was really tall on it. So I had to shorten them way down like this one. This is the old tank. You see how close the brackets are to the top of the tank? Mm-hmm. Yep. So we had to do this in order to have enough ground clearance. You know, the tank would be sitting too low in the RV. So got that done, but now I got to weld some metal on the sides here. You know, come in closer there, because the weld on both sides there, because the bolt hole is wider on this tank than it is on this bracket. So I'm gonna have to weld metal on each side like this to make the bracket wider, and then bore some new holes. Gotcha. Yep. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to strip this paint off and go back there and weld the brackets on.
Cool. And we mentioned in the last video, or in one of our videos, that how this isn't as convenient maybe as some of the other setups for propane, because this isn't one that you can carry into stores. You got to like kind of fill it up, keep it mounted, and you got to... So you... not all gas stations have that, either have propane that you can fill up that way. But here recently, a gas station real close to us now offers that, doesn't it? Gas station real close to us offers...
It's just a couple miles down the road.
Yeah.
You can fill propane now.
Yeah, and it can fill up our propane tank real close to home now. And it even specifically said at the gas station that for RVs and everything. So that's going to be nice.
If ever you lose your way, find you have no place to stand, and you spread your tangled sorrows all across the land, and the only thing left to salvage is already gathered in your hand. Then it's time you remember, time you surrender. Blessed are those who wait upon the Lord. If ever you're troubled over meanings in your life, and arm in arm with bitterness. You began your endless flight when your binding plans can't show you your useless road of strife. Then it's time you remember, time you surrender. Blessed are those who wait upon the Lord. when the prophet's tongue lies silent in his mouth. And your barren fields lie worthless all through the summer's drought. And just when you feel for certain you can never find your way out, then it's time you remember, time you surrender. Blessed are those who wait upon the Lord.
Despised and rejected by man, a man of sorrows and acquainted with grief.
Okay, so now we got it welded here, but now I've got to grind. If you'll look close here, Sarah, you can see how the welds stick up above the...
Hold on, let me come around this way.
You see how the welds stick up above the surface now. So I've got to grind all this down flush. I welded the brackets on both sides, but it has to be flat on top, so we'll have to grind the welds down.
Gotcha.
So that's what I'm going to do now.
Cool, cool.
Faces from him, we hid our faces from him, we despised and we esteemed him not. Yes, we hid our faces from him, we hid our faces from him, we despised and we esteemed him not.
Okay, so now we have to drill new holes. We got all the welds ground down. So now we got to measure this bolt pattern and make that the same.
Cool, cool.
For our iniquities, and we hid our faces from him. Yes, we hid our faces from him. We despised and we esteemed him not. Yes, we hid our faces
Hey, lady. What you doing? Hey, lady boo-boo. Hey, lady. Hey, Pete. What you up to, huh? Steven's gotta climb under here to measure the bolts, you said?
Yeah, get the bolt spacing.
Yep. Because you said you got 2 of them in, but gotta make sure we got the right measurement.
I gotta bore the ones on the other side.
Yeah. Hey, Pete. Hey, buddy. What you been up to, huh? Peter, you protecting him? I think he's making sure nothing happens to you. Pete's a big cat. I wouldn't want to mess with you, Pete.
Nope.
I don't think I'd want to get on your bad side. Yay, buddy. Yeah.
Alright.
You think you got it?
Yep.
Cool.
He's risen again. He's risen again. Well, come see where they have laid thee low. Yes, he's risen again. He's risen again. Well, come see where they have laid thee low. Yes, he's risen again. He's risen again. Well, come see where they have laid thee low.
Alright, stop right there.
So he just got through measuring and he said the bolt holes were way off and he's gonna have to do it again. And I'm also right now looking for little things to order. I kind of want to order some outdoor lights, some like string lights that's solar powered. I've been looking on eBay and I've been seeing a few on there, so that's one of the next things I want to order for our, especially before our Ohio trip. I'd love to have some outdoor lighting and maybe an outdoor portable fire pit. They sell, again, I saw one on eBay that was only like $22 and it was like a small fire pit, like a tabletop that you could sit either on top of a table or on the ground. I like that because we don't have a whole lot of room in the RV to store a fire pit for traveling, so I like that this one's really small. So yeah, a few little things that'll make our outdoor camping even more cozy and enjoyable. So yeah, it's all coming together. He just drilled again, and we're going to try it again, see if it fits this time.
Alright, pump it up slowly. Alright, hang on one second. We'll move it no more. This thing. Come on, get down, son.
Can we push it down?
No. I go up with it slowly. More.
Should I come back down?
Yeah, that only goes up when you push down.
Oh.
Hang on. Stubborn one, isn't it?
Still doesn't fit well. Do you see your glasses out here? Did you
No, that was inside.
Oh.
Alright, jack up on it. Whoa, hold on. Good. Jack up on it. Quickly. Quickly. That's good. Whoa, right there. This thing's really hard to get in and out of here. Get it right. Let me do it 50 times. I think these two are good.
Okay.
Let's use the other two.
So we got two of them.
I'm gonna have some massaging done to them.
So we tried it again for a third time, and it still needs a little bit of modifications. Steven says just slight, he thinks, modifications to make it fit in there just right. So that's what you're hearing. That's what he's doing again, is modifying it even more right now. So maybe this time it'll actually fit in there good, because it's a job getting that thing in there. I've been helping him carry it back and forth. Like, that tank is heavy and it's empty. It doesn't even have anything in it yet, but it's still like pretty heavy. So I've been helping him carry it back and forth and helping him jack it up in there. It's not easy getting that thing up in there and out. So, but anyways, we're gonna try it for a fourth time after he modifies it just a little bit more. And hopefully that'll be the last time, but we'll see.
Come here and jack it up.
Okay.
Slowly. Hang on. Alright, go up a little bit. A little bit more. Alright, hang on right there. Sweet size. Alright, go up with it. Go up with it. All right, right there. Actually, I might have to do a little more mop.
You think?
Yeah, because it's hitting some welds here on the frame. I'll have to swap that out. Whew, I believe I've done all I want to do today, though.
Yeah. You want to just take it out? We'll leave it in the shop to finish another day.
Yeah. Yeah, marker. Is there a marker laying there? Oh, there's one. Thank you. Yeah, that's what it's hitting on. There's some like where they welded the metal under here.
Okay.
Just want to
Modify some more.
well, just cut this bracket a little bit.
You sure you don't want to go ahead?
No, huh? I don't want to put it back up under it again.
Yeah. That's the job.
I want to go ride my motorcycle.
Yeah. Go relax the rest of the day.
Okay, then.
We're doing good
Let's
today.
carry this over there.
So if y'all could tell from that footage, it's almost done. We think the holes are good, right? The holes don't need any more modifications, right? It's just some. What was it exactly?
There's just where they welded the brackets underneath. Just need to be go in there and cut a little relief in there so that the propane tank don't hit the welds.
Yeah.
And it'll fit in there good.
Yeah. So I think that's a good amount of work. All thanks to say I helped out what I could, but thank you for all the work you did today. We're gonna do the rest of that another day. It's hot today.
It's too hot. It's time to go for a motorcycle ride.
It is. So I'm gonna go to the house. I gotta do some things around the house, and he's gonna go get him a well-deserved motorcycle ride. And yeah, so we'll see y'all next time.
Bye.